Hi students, look at this problem. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. Okay. So I'll just draw one rough diagram for this data. Let me take this. This is the total height of the tree. Let AB be the total height of the tree. Okay. Total height of the tree. Suppose some part was broken due to storm. Let me take this BC part. BC part has been broken due to storm and bends like this. So this is the broken piece. So it comes like this, right? So it comes and touches the ground at a distance of 8 meters from the foot of the tree. So this distance is 8 meters. Okay, and the angle made by this broken piece and the horizontal line is, what is the elevation given here? 30 degrees. Here it is 30 degrees. Okay, so that means this piece and this piece both are same because broken part is coming like this. So broken piece and this both are equal. So let it be x. Broken piece be x. Then this is also automatically x. Then this will be y. Then total height of the tree. Find the height of the tree, total height of the tree before it was broken. So that means we have to find the value of x plus y. Right? So what is the AB? Understood the diagram? AB be the total height of the tree. Some part was broken. Suppose BC part is broken and is coming like this and touches the ground at D with a distance of 8 meters from the foot of the tree and making angle 30 degrees. Okay. I want to find total height of the tree. Okay. So AB is equal to total height of the tree. Okay. So let BC equal to x. BC and CD both are same. X. AC equal to y. Then AB equal to x plus y. Okay. AD equal to 8 meters. What is the elevation here? ADC. Also angle ADC equal to 30 degrees. Right? Now I want to find the values of x and y. Now in right triangle CAD, you see once here, to find the value of x, for 30 what do you call this side? For 30 this is hypotenuse, never changes, so hypotenuse is x, and for 30 this is called adjacent side. Adjacent by hypotenuse, can we take cos? Adjacent and hypotenuse relation is either cos or secant, both can be taken, any one can be taken. So I am taking cos 30. So cos 30 degrees I am taking. Cos 30 degrees equal to adjacent to 30 AD by hypotenuse is what? CD. So cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 equal to AD 8 by CD value x. Since cos 30 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. So here root 3 x equal to 8 2s are 16. Then x equal to 16 by root 3 meters. Keep it like this. Okay. Now again, can you take one more to find the value of y? For 30, what do you call this side? For 30, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So I will take tan 30. Again, I will take tan 30. Tan 30 degrees. For tan 30, opposite to 30 by adjacent means AC by AD. Right? AC by AD. Tan 30 degrees value how much? 1 by root 3. AC value y. AD value 8. Since tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So root 3 y is equal to cross multiply 8. Then y equal to 8 by root 3 meters. Now I want to find total height of the tree. That means AB equal to x plus y. What is x here? 16 by root 3 plus 8 by root 3. So since denominators are same, I can add directly 24 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. That equal to, I will calculate here, 24 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 8s are 24. 8 root 3 meters. So what did I do here? Multiply numerator and denominator with the rationalizing factor of root 3. That is root 3 only. So root 3 by root 3. So we will get 8 root 3 meters. Right? So therefore the total height of the tree before it was broken is 8 root 3 meters. So two trigonometric ratios, 2 times I applied here. So according to the diagram, what is required we have to apply. Clear? We will see one more problem. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. Second problem. The angle of elevation of the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. Foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meter high, if the tower is 50-meter high. Find the height of the building. Okay. Here I will take one building and a tower. So I will take one building. Tower is taller than the building. So I will take this is building. This I will take it as a tower. Okay. So AB be the building and CD be the tower. Both are standing on the level ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. Where is foot of the tower? Here. This. From here, one person is observing the top of the building like this. With elevation, how much? Top of the tower. Top of the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. Foot of the tower is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, right? From here, observing the top of the tower with elevation 60 degrees, right? So what should you find here? What should you find? And height of the building, height of the tower is given, right? 50 meters. Height of the tower is given 50 meters. Find the height of the building. Let me take h meters. And this is 90 and this total also 90 degrees. That means we have two right triangles here, right? BAC one right triangle and DCA another right triangle. Okay? I'll calculate C. So what is AB here? What is AB? Height of the building. Equal to h meters, say. CD equal to height of the tower. $50 okay, and elevations you say from the figure. What are the elevations here? ACB 30 degrees, angle ACB 30 degrees, and DAC or CAD, angle CAD 60 degrees. So what are the two right triangles we have? One is BAC and the other is DCA. Common base is AC here, okay? In right triangle BAC, take tan 30 equal to opposite to 30 AB by adjacent to 30 AC. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. AB is H by AC, I don't know. So target is H here, since tan 30 degrees equal to how much? 1 by root. Okay. So AC equal to cross multiply here root 3H, equation 1. What is another right triangle? DCA. In right triangle DCA, take tan 60 is equal to opposite. Tan 60 means what? Opposite to 60. CD by adjacent. So CD by adjacent is AC. Tan 60 degrees value how much? Root 3 equal to CD 50 by AC. Since tan 60 degrees value root 3. Now from this, AC equal to root 3 comes here. So 50 by root 3. Equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get . root 3 h equal to 50 by root 3, right? I want to find h here. 50 by root 3 will come here. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 16s are 48. 2 will remain. 16, 2 by 3. Write in mixed fraction. Therefore, what is h here? The height of building is 16, 2 by 3 meters. Right? Third question. The angle of elevation of the third question. The angle of elevation of the top of a rock. Top of a rock. From the top and from the top and foot of a 100-meter high, a 100-meter high tower are respectively 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Find the height of the rock. Height of the rock. Okay. So according to the question, I will draw the diagram. Look at. So the angle of elevation of the top of a rock from the tower. So I will draw one tower here and the rock here. So AB and CD. So this is a tower and this is a rock. Okay. So what the person is doing here, 100-meter high tower. This is 100 meters. It is given in the problem. Looks like previous problem, similar problem. So what is he observing? Elevation of the top of a rock from the top and the foot of the tower. So from here observing the top of the rock. From here observing the top of the rock. So what are the points of observation here? A and B. So from B observing the top of the rock and from A observing the top of the rock with elevations. Why did I say elevation? Because point of observation is lower than the object. So from the top 30 degrees, from the bottom foot 45 degrees. Right? Find the, let it be E. Find the height of the rock. Let it be h meters, height of the rock. Total h, if this is 100, then this is also 100. total h and this is 100, this will be h minus 100. Okay, so I will find out. So this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. Again two right triangles are there. Let us calculate. So AB equal to solution. What is AB here? Height of the tower. Height of the tower equal to 100 meters. CD equal to height of the rock. H meters. Say we have to calculate this. So A and B are points of observation. Points of observation. Okay. So ED equal to H minus 100. From the figure, write the elevations. DBE, angle DBE, how much? 30 degrees, and angle DAC equal to 45 degrees. Okay, angle DBE 30 and DAC 45. So I will take two right triangles here. One is DEB and the other is DCA. DEB and DCA. In right triangle DEB, take tan 30 is equal to opposite to 30 by adjacent. What is tan formula? Opposite to 30 by adjacent. So DE by BE. DE by BE. So tan 30 how much here? 1 by root 3. DE length h minus 100 upon BE. Since tan 30 equal to 1 by root. So I will take BE is equal to root 3 into cross multiply here h minus 100. Equation 1. Okay. Is that clear? I just made cross multiplication here. BE equal to this. So another right triangle is what? In right triangle DCA, big one. DCA, take tan 45 equal to opposite to 45 CD by adjacent to 45 AC. For 45 opposite side is what? CD and AC. So tan 45 you know 1 CD H by AC. So tan 45 degrees value how much? 1. So from here AC equal to H, equation 2. But from 1 and 2 I get BE is equal to AC. You see opposite sides here, BE and AC opposite sides are equal. So BE means what? Root 3 into H minus 100 equal to H. So multiply with root 3 here. So root 3 H minus 100 root 3 is equal to H. H bring this side. Root 3 H minus H equal to 100 root 3. Okay. Take H common. So you will get, if you take H common, H into root 3 minus 1 equal to 100 root 3. So H equal to 100 root 3 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. I will do it. H equal to 100 root 3 into, what is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1? Root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing factor of root 3 Minus 1 is root 3 plus 1. So multiply and divide with that. Question I am erasing here. So you will get h equal to 100 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 upon, it looks like a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square means 2 50s. So h equal to 50 root 3 into root 3 value 1.732 plus 1, or I'll add like this. You multiply inside 3 plus root 3, right? So h equal to 50 into 3 plus root 3 value 1.732. So h equal to 50 into, if you add this 4.732, if you multiply this, you will get 236.6. 236.6 meters. 47.325. That's correct. So therefore, what is h actually? Height of the rock. Therefore, the height of rock is 236.6 meters. That is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.